Hi, I'm Mr. Jacky Tan, the subject head of physics. I'm here to share with you a little bit more about the learning of science. So, what makes a good scientist? A good scientist is curious. He wants to know and desire to find out a little bit more of how things work around him. A good scientist is also objective. He needs more view and will conduct experiments to find out whether he is correct. If you pick these options, most likely you are curious, you are also objective, and most likely you have a deeper interest in science. If you want to know a bit more, do watch our videos.